Okay, let's start. Okay. So welcome guys, welcome back to NEET World. So in this session we are going to concentrate on the JEE Mains PYQs of physics. So in the previous sections of previous classes of the physics now, we have solved some of the JEE Mains PYQs as well as NEET PYQs, and we will continue with the next part of the JEE Mains PYQs in this session. So the first question which we are going to see in this class is match list 1 with list 2. So here list 1 and list 2 have been given. Okay, let me read what are the given terms in list 1. So rectifier, stabilizer, transformer, filter. Okay, so list 2 has been given as used either for stepping up or stepping down the AC voltage. Okay, used to convert AC voltage into DC voltage, then used to remove any ripple in the rectified output voltage, then used for constant output voltage even when the input voltage or load current changes. So these are the terms is given in list 1 and list 2. I need to match them accordingly. So when I see rectifier, out of these 4 now, which one will be correct? So used for stepping up or stepping down, it is for transformer. Okay, I'll take a pen. Okay. So rectifier, so transformer, no, first one. Okay, used to convert AC voltage into DC voltage. Yes, obviously for rectifier. Then used to remove any ripple in the rectified output voltage. So it is for filter, no, used to remove. So it is for filter. What about the last one? Obviously B, no. So what is B? Used for constant output voltage when the input voltage or load current changes. It's for stabilizer. So which of the correct option in this? So A is 1, sorry, A is 2, right? A 2, B, yes, B 4, C 1, and D, what is that? 3, no? Yes, 3. Okay. So A 2, so A 2 I can eliminate option 4 now. B 4, so out of these 3, 1 and 3 I can eliminate. So obviously option 2 is the answer. Okay. So these are the things I can match it. Right now, can I go for the next question? Can we go? Yes. So the next question is y is equals to a sine of omega t plus phi is the time displacement equation of SHM. At t is equals to 0, the displacement of the particle is y is equals to a by 2 and it is moving along negative x direction. Then the initial phase angle, that is phi they are asking. Okay, what is the phi? Can we find now? So the given equation y is equals to a sine of omega t plus phi. This is the given equation. At t is equals to 0, what will happen to y? So the particle is displaced this y is equal to a by 2 they told. Now I will take this equation y of 0, no, y of 0 at 0, no, should be equals to a sine of omega, that is I will keep as it is, time is 0. So total value 0 plus phi, right? No. So when it is at t is equals to 0, y will be a by 2, right? So a by 2 should be equals to a sine of, so sine phi. Okay, so a can be cancelled out, so sine will be, sine phi will be 1 by 2, where phi will be equals to pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6 I will get, right? No, this is the angle I will get. But out of these two angles, which one will be correct for the negative direction? So for that, let me take the velocity equation. What is velocity equation? If I differentiate y dash will be equals to velocity, right? So what will be the equation? A sine will become cos and omega t is there, no, omega will come out. So a omega cos of omega t plus phi. Okay, this is the thing. So when it is 0, what will happen? At time t is equals to 0, no, v will be equals to a omega cos phi. So when v of 0 is less than cos phi, this one will be negative, right? Velocity will be negative. So accordingly, when I see the option, this pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6, obviously 5 pi by 6 will be the answer. Option 4.
Answer.
Okay, option 4 is the answer. Can we go for the next question? Okay. So the next question is, wait a minute, yeah, two identical spring constant 2k are attached to a block of mass m and fixed support. When the mass is displaced from equilibrium position on either side, it executes simple harmonic motion. So if I try to move this one, it will also move, yes or no? If I try to move this one, this also move equal distance and this also move equal distance, which means this is in parallel condition, we can say, no? Yes. So then the time period of oscillation of this system is, so first let me find what is the K effective of this system. So K effective here parallel, no, parallel condition means what I should do, K effective should be equals to K1 plus K2, which is nothing but 2K plus 2K, it is 4K. Okay. And the time period of oscillation they are asking, no, time period is equals to 2 pi into root over m by k. Okay, here k is nothing but K effective I should consider. So K effective, because two springs are there. Okay, now substitute the value of K effective here, 2 pi into root over m by 4k, which if I take 4, if I take out of the root, now it will become 2. So which is equals to 2 pi by 2 into root over m by k, 2 cancels. So time period t will be equals to pi into root over m by k. This is my answer for the given question. Okay. So why I have taken here parallel, no, if I move this one with x distance, this also move with x distance, right? Yes or no? Yes. If I consider a parallel condition, no, or okay, parallel, if I move this one, the both will move same length. Okay, both will move same length, right? No, so that's why the reason I have taken it's a parallel. Can we go for the next question? Okay. The wavelength of the photon emitted by the hydrogen atom when an electron makes a transition from n is equals to 2 to n is equals to 1 state is. So what is the formula for this wavelength of a photon emitted? So I will write the formula, 1 by lambda is equals to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Right, now what is r? It's a Rydberg constant, no? So what is the value of Rydberg constant? It is 1.097 into 10 power 7. Okay, remember these values. Okay, now n1 is 1, n2 is 2. I will substitute those values and I need to find the lambda. That is the main motive of this question, right? So 1 by lambda should be equals to 1.097 into 10 power 7 into 1 by 1 square will be 1 minus 1 by 2 square will be 4, right? No, so 1 by 097 into 10 power 7, so it is 4 minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 3 by 4. I have written directly, but the step I have extra step I have written here. So 1.097 into 10 power 7 into 3 by 4. This is 1 by lambda. I need for lambda. So can you give the answer for this question? Yes, 3 by 4, right? So 3 by 4 in the sense, how much value? So first we will calculate this one. 1 is equals to 3 by 4, right? So 0.0, right? And 5, 6, 7, no? 7, 28 should come, and 2, 75, 0.75. So what I should do here? 1.097 into 0.75 into 10 power 7. I will get some value here. Okay, I will get some value. Now lambda should be equals to 1 by that value I need to calculate. Okay, 1 by the value which I am getting here. Okay, that is the thing. So what will be the answer, final answer? Jashmeet Karu. Okay, no issues, man. You can watch. So what is the answer for this given question? Only the calculation is left out. Can you give answer for this question now? Yes, it's approximately 121.8 nanometer. Yes, this is the answer, 121.8 nanometer. Okay, can we go for the next question? Okay, so the next question is, the point A moves with uniform speed along the circumference of a circle radius 0.36 and it covers angle is 30 degree in 0.1 seconds. Let me write that r is equals to 0.36 meter and theta is equals to 30 degree at 0.1 second. Then the perpendicular projection P from A on the diameter Mn. So this is the diameter Mn. Represent the simple harmonic motion of P. Okay, fine. The restoration force per unit mass when P touches M will be. Okay. So what is the formula for force now? So force is nothing but mass into acceleration. But I can't take acceleration directly now. In this case, I should consider acceleration as with respect to omega. I should take an angular velocity is there. Okay. I will find what is angular velocity first. But A will be equals to omega square r. Okay, I will keep as it is now. I need to find omega. So what is omega? So how much angle it has been revolved? So 30 degree, no, 30 degree in the sense pi by 6 and time is given 0.1 second, no, so 0.1. So it is pi by 0.6, convert this as radians per second. Okay, convert this radians per second. Now come for this. So how much they are asking for mass per force per unit mass, no, force per unit mass. So force divided by mass should be equals to omega square r. Only this thing they are asking, force per unit mass. Okay, so what will what will be the answer? I need to I need to take this answer omega here into r. What is r here? So it is 0.36 meter. Okay, find the answer and give. Yes, you can give the answer. So final answer will be, you can take approximately. Yes, approximately you will get, yeah, 9.8. Yes, no? So option 3 will be the answer. Okay. So with this we will conclude this session and we will come with next part of the session, next part of the questions in next session. Okay. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next class. Bye. Bye bye. Yeah, bye.